In this video, I'm going to reveal Larry Benedict's trade track record for all of the trades that he's put out for his One Ticker Trader service. So I'm going to show you a page that lists every single trade he's put out to the members of One Ticker Trader, so you can see for yourself how well the service performs. But in a nutshell, it is highly impressive. So that is going to be the main theme for this video. So if you've always wanted to join One Ticker Trader but you've been skeptical, then I'm going to show you exactly how well all of Larry's trades have performed right from the beginning. He launched the service in August 2022. I'm also going to tell you what One Ticker Trader is all about and the kind of trades Larry puts out. Then I'm going to show you around the members area so you can see what you get when you join One Ticker Trader, and then obviously I'll tell you about how you can join One Ticker Trader. But if at any point during the video you want to join, there's a link in the comment description below where you can join for over 90% off and join for just $19, which locks your membership in for 1 year. This is a crazy price. I don't know how long this price is going to be open for, but if you at all want to join, now is the time, because this price could disappear at any moment. So if you want to join, you can join for $19. You get 30-day money-back guarantee as well. And yeah, anyway, enough waffle. Let's get on with the video. So, what is One Ticker Trader all about? Now, Larry is an options trader, and essentially Larry teaches his members of One Ticker Trader how to trade options profitably. Now, options trading is a form of trading using options contracts to basically well, you're not really buying and selling shares. You're basically buying options contracts and selling options contracts for a profit. But I'm not going to go deep in it because I don't want to blow your mind. But what is it all about? So One Ticker Trader is Larry Benedict's trading service where he picks his top trading themes to focus on each month, including the single ticker that best represents each theme. Larry sends out a monthly issue delving into the macro trends he sees in the market that are creating opportunities. Trades will come as opportunities arise. Some months may see just one trade, while other months may include several trades. The Trading Advisor is a great place to learn how to regularly profit using options, even if you've never traded them before. Larry also explores other trading opportunities such as leveraged ETFs. So in a nutshell, you will be Larry teaches you, and he sends out trade alerts for either buying call options or buying put options. Now, an options contract, whether it's call or put, basically controls 100 shares for a set period of time, and in that time period you're going to be buying it and selling that options contract for a profit. That is the name of the game. And basically how Larry's service works, he'll buy a call option if he thinks the stock's going up, and he'll buy a put option if he thinks the stock's going down. So the beautiful thing about options trading is you can profit from a share's price, whether it is rising or falling. That is basically what the service is all about. It's great for beginners. You don't need a huge amount of money to get started. You could probably get started anywhere between $500 to $1,000. If you've got a bit more, great. But $500 to $1,000 will get you started. And over time, you'll slowly build up your retirement account. And obviously, once you've built your retirement account up and you get more confident and you buy more options contracts, it's not out of a realm of possibility you can make $500, $1,000 to up to $3,000 a month or more, depending on the size of your trading account. So that is really what it is all about. And this service really is for beginners and intermediates. So let's look at the track record. So here is a page listing all of Larry's track records. So here we go. So I'm not going to read them all. So this is the trade. So this is the ticker. This is something called the expiry date. Basically, yeah. And then obviously this is the strike price, and this is the type of option that you are buying. Again, this is the open date, close date, And this is something called the premium. This is what you buy for. And the close price, this is what you sell for. So basically you profit. You don't profit from buying, selling shares. You profit from buying the premium and selling it for a higher price. So let's have a look at the wins and losses here. So as you can see, right from the very beginning, 19%, all of these winning trades here. There was a couple of losing ones there. Larry does lose trades. It's only inevitable. But as you can see, all of these green, sort of green profitable trades here. 2 losses there. You got some more green ones here. So yeah, all of the green. There's a couple of losing ones there. There's a big win there, 165%. So that was closed out for, I bought it for $3.16, sold it for $8.40 per share. Remember, there's 100 shares in each option, so you multiply this number by 100. So this would have netted a return of $840 minus what you paid for it, $316. And then what's that? It's probably over $500 in pure profit. And the beautiful thing is you could buy multiple options contracts. So if you bought more than one, you'd be multiplying this number by more than how many options contracts you bought. So obviously some big wins here, big wins, nearly doubling your monies. Obviously 3 losses there. You got all of these green winning trades here. 1 small loss there. All of these winning trades. And these are obviously the most. Larry actually killed it in 2025. He had an 80% win streak, I do believe. So 2025. There we go. So 2025 started here. So this is the start. So you got all of these winning trades. The trade returns are anywhere from, it would seem, you can aggregate it out, anywhere from 10, 20% to 100% plus. But Larry's ethos here is not to take out highly risky trades with a small chance of winning. But if you win, you make life-changing returns. It's all about, placing trades that give you small returns over a long period of time. So you slowly build up your trading account to make returns. So this is actually pretty low risk. Don't get me wrong, there is risk. Every one of these options contracts you take out, you could lose all the money you put into the trade. But as you can see, the win rate on Larry's trades is huge. I don't know what the exact win rate is, but I can tell you it's well over 80%. So this is for 2025. You've got all of these winning trades. A couple of losing ones there, and these are obviously the most recent ones. You got some Hall of Fame trades here. They're all, they did really, really well. So, so that is basically, this is the track record. As you can see, there is, amongst all of the bank of trades Larry's ever given out, there is only a small number of losing trades. How many losing trades have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of, I don't know how many trades there are here, but there's probably 3 dozen trades here. So, the return, I would say Larry is probably at somewhere between, I would say somewhere between 70 to 80% win streak. So there you go, guys. That is basically Larry's trades in a nutshell. In fact, let's see how many. In fact, let's do a test. So let's see how many trades Larry put out in 2025. So let me just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Larry put out about 35 trades in 2025. How many losers did he have? So let's just count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were only, out of 35 trades, there were only 5 losing trades in 2025. I mean, so basically on average, you're winning 2 to 3 trades a month. I would say that is a pretty decent track record, and that is why Larry Benedict's One Ticker Trader service is probably the top rated options trading service out there. The results speak for themselves. Obviously, yes, there are losing trades. If you're going to trade, then you're not going to win every trade. But as you can see here, it's a sea of green amongst all of the trades Larry has put out to his members. So that is basically the track record. This is all open source. It's all transparent. You know, if you're interested in learning how to trade options profitably with the lowest risk possible, and you've been on the fence about One Ticker Trader, this should get you off the fence. If you want to join, there's a link to join in the comment description below where you can join for just $19. So let me show you around the members area. So this is the members area. So you've got the issues and updates, special reports, portfolio, and videos. So in the issues and updates, there's something called Ask Larry Anything. So this is where Larry, members can basically ask questions to Larry about his trades or the markets or anything you want. It's a 10-minute read and it's highly, highly insightful. Larry also gives market updates as well. And these are the trade alerts. So this is a trade alert. I'm just going to show you the format. So for this trade, Larry's saying this is for the United States oil fund because Larry trades oil, amongst other things. It's buy to open the USO April 17th. Calls because he expects the price of this to go up $75 for up to $330 per share. Multiply that by 100. So this trade could be open for, $330. Now, don't place this trade because unless you won't get the sell alert. But that is basically, what the trade looks like. So that's basically the pretty much heart and soul of the service. But you got the special reports. All of these special reports go into a theme that Larry wants to trade and the best tickers to trade that theme. That is what these reports are all about. So he's picking a theme, whether it's energy, gold, AI stocks. He'll pick a theme and pick out the best stocks in order to trade that theme. This is what these reports are all about. You get all of these for free when you join One Ticker Trader. So these are brilliant, very insightful. You got the portfolio with open positions. This is the videos. So once you've been through these videos, you're basically going to know the basics of trading options so you can start placing Larry's options trades. So that is pretty much the track record of One Ticker Trader, what it is. And obviously, just showing you around the members area to show you what you get. Last thing to say, if you want to join One Ticker Trader, you can join for just $19. Click on this page. This will be the page you see in the comment description below. Just click this button and it will take you to Larry's cart page where you can place your payment for $19, 30-day money back guarantee. You'll be sent an email where basically you'll be able to log into the members area, start reading the special reports, start going through the trading videos, and then start placing Larry's trades when he sends trade recommendations out. I've been a member right from the start. I love the service. I do quite a few of Larry's trades, and as you can see, Larry's trade track record is awesome. So I rate the service 5 out of 5. Can't fault it. Brilliant way to make money from the stocks without doing the usual buy and hold and sell shares. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. You can join for $19. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.